Do you ride for a pro team now, Daisy?
Yeah, it's official.
Good morning, and welcome to the Tour of Britain. I'm in disguise today.
Good morning.
You wear that extremely well. Doesn't she look good?
Already up front and now even better.
Can you feel it?
So we're here at the Tour of Britain through Alpecin. We've got a spot riding ahead of the race, completely closed roads, racing against tiny little guys like that. We've got about an hour and a half until the main race starts, so we better get out of the course at some point. That's that done. It's all about riding around in London on closed roads. Proper.
Stuck in the van.
We
can recreate
It's your
it.
fault.
Yeah, sorry. I'm not getting blamed for this one again. Not again.
We just got stuck in the Katusha van and it was Charlie's fault. Now it's time to try and find hospitality. You laid down the red carpet for us. Thank you.
What? A dog in the hospitality tent.
Hey man. Dog exception as usual.
Oh no, it's awful. Can't be doing that. We didn't know what table to sit at, so we just sat at the Lacole one.
I'm good.
You've been following Team Wiggins through the whole Tour of Britain?
6 out of the 7. 6 out of the 8 days.
Was it fun?
It was amazing.
Or do you kind of wish you were racing?
Of course, man. I'm a racer, so every day, you know, I wish I was in the race. But this is the next best thing, right? In the race, but not in the race. I'm on the race.
On the race?
On the race.
Should we get a beer?
Mate, I'm working.
Should we get a beer?
Yeah. I saw Lawrence earlier. We had a good chat. This is cool, isn't it?
Juliet's not vlogging today.
No, she's not.
What?
Hey, mate.
She might be. I did.
Should we go and give Yanto a beer?
Will he drink it?
No.
Where are you taking us?
Oh, you have to go around the cross point. Right, everyone's trying to jump on each other for a bottle. Right, apparently they.
Team Sky Bus is like
Wait, that's all
5
for
people
a
deep.
bottle?
One of the team riders, who I will not name, but he said that he was like that. He was doing a bit of a chat, and they were all fighting over the bottles. They were all fighting over a bottle, and he was just like, yoink, nope.
Lawrence. You can talk to him in his language.
Yeah.
Nice to see you, Andy.
I'm good to see you too.
What's wrong with the cameras?
I've got to be kind of quick on the draw whenever I'm around you guys because there's a camera in my face.
You are always quick on the draw, Andy.
Bless you. The selfie of the day was Paul Smith.
Yeah, sod all the cyclists, go for the fashion designer.
I know. He's
Yeah?
responsible for the bulk of my wardrobe. A heartfelt moment. And besides, I've had a selfie with Froome before, so I don't need another
You
one.
don't need enough. Why are you dressed as a cowboy? In fact, you've got a lot of stuff going on here.
My new helmet.
A helmet, and a keys, and a GoPro, and a sandwich wrapper. It's like you're from the future.
Okay, guys. Just dealing with clients and such.
I'm James Golding.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm very good.
I saw you earlier on.
You did.
I waved at you. You didn't wave back. Your face was a face of pain.
I did wave back, but you were already down the road before I got the chance to wave back.
What were you doing for the last week? What's been going on?
We've been doing day ahead of the Tour of Britain. So we've ridden every stage of the Tour of Britain 1 day ahead of the pros. We've had to shuffle things around a little bit on certain stages. So the TT day, we actually did the team time trial on the team time trial day because we wouldn't have been able to get over the hill. And then we've done today on the day because of the closed roads.
Yeah. So how many miles in total has that been?
About 750.
Oh God.
I haven't looked. I just you know
been riding,
you know
you're
I
following
just
the
look
team
where
car.
we're starting. I look where we finish, and then I ride my bike.
That's bonkers. Well, earlier on you looked pretty knackered. Now you look fine.
I'm fine. I have to say though, looking the way I did earlier was probably a combination of having Russ Downing on my wheel, also drinking far too much last night at our fundraising do, and being up, going to bed at 3 o'clock this morning, being up again at 7 and having not eaten anything yet. So there was probably a couple of combinations in there that helped. 1 lap to go!
We missed it. That was good, huh? Caleb Ewan. Very solid, very solid. But the best was Canyon Iceberg rider Alex Payton winning the sprint.
What's up?
Did you guys have fun? How was your Tour of Britain?
It was great. We rode our bikes around the course and then we drank.
Did you do that in the green jerseys?
We did.
Yeah, we did that in red jerseys.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't see
Different.
Yeah,
you. We were off the front.
Yeah.
You didn't see
nice.
us.
Yeah, no, we were scootering it up.
Jonathan Packer was off the back.
As always, mate.
Yeah, way off the back.
Yeah, we got ahead. We didn't win, but
Plus we
it wasn't a
rode
race.
Team Sarah's story as well. That was
Did you?
cool.
Did you beat her?
No.
I was on the front at once.
Her and Kaz were just, they were pushing it, and I was like, guys, we're coming.
Kaz was pushing it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
knew it.
she was. She was like seriously off the front.
And we were like, guys, we
She
Kaz
was
dropped half
chatting.
in the group.
She was
do you want
chatting
to
to
slow down? They were
Sarah.
like, nah.
She's used up all of her energy and she's just gone home. She's not even here now.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I know.
she does not have the stamina of drinking that we have.
How are you, man?
Yeah, not bad.
Good to see you.
Thanks, man.
How was your race over the last few days?
Yeah, hard.
Probably the strongest field in a Tour of Britain ever.
I can tell it has been the strongest field. I mean, there's big names up here, so I think everyone is pretty much getting ready for World Champs.
Yeah.
So this was the perfect race to sort of get ready for World Champs. So yeah, it was hard, but yeah, managed to stay upright. That's the most important thing.
What's everybody's form like towards the end of the season like this? Is it some people are super on form and some people are slightly less, or?
Usually this time of the year, the people that are on good form or super motivated, the people that come back from injury, you know, obviously they're coming back with a lot of motivation and obviously their form is a bit better. But yeah, for the guys that have had a long season, you know, they're already tired and not super motivated at this time of the year. So yeah, the form, yeah, it's you can't really tell, eh? Like I say, it's basically the fresher guys that haven't done much for the year.
Are you riding the Worlds?
Yeah, I've got World Champs coming up and a few one-day races. Then I do Tour of China. That's basically where I finish off my season. But yeah, the form is coming back. I've had a lot of ups and downs in this season, but yeah, more downs than up. But yeah, getting back again. Yeah, it's a good feeling.
Most important question of all. In October, I'm in Cape Town. Are you going to be there?
October, yeah. I only get back to Cape Town on the 22nd of October.
22nd?
Yeah.
Oh no, I might just miss you. But at least I saw you here.
Yeah. Cool, cheers. No,
You
keep
take care,
on, man.
Great
Cheers.
race. What are you doing?
This is a genius contraption, Francis. It means that I don't have to carry it. It has got all of my clothes that I have needed for this week.
You're going to make vlogs about the Tour of Britain?
Yes, that's
You've got
exactly
loads
right.
of footage for it.
Mate, I've got enough footage to make about 60 vlogs. Please link down below. Upcoming on this channel, on my channel, is a load of Tour of Britain content that Francis didn't have access to.
It's no cycling.
I'm not cycling, I'm pushing like a scooter.
That guy did a wheelie.
Skills. You're an idiot.
Why am I an idiot?
And you know it. Look at the sign. You put it on upside down. Knock it off and then put it back on.
You can tell Lawrence is the pro cyclist, can't you? Look. Food, food, food.
Beer.
All you've got is beer. You haven't even got food.
I'm too tired for food.
I'm glad I chose to film while there was a train going above us. I'm now in a manic panic, packing my bike up and heading to Munich. Some of you may remember last year a series of videos on the Tour de France. Myself, Rob Quirk, Owen and Justin all rode from Munich to Venice along with a ton of other people. This year we're trying something a little different. This time I'm going to be filming for DT Swiss. There's going to be 4 videos on their official YouTube channel. And at the end of the Tour de France, I'm going to make a bumper edition vlog about the whole trip in the usual style. So bear with me. I'm not going to be uploading to this channel for a few days, but when I do, it's going to be one mega video. Thank you as always for watching and catch you guys in a few days.